driveway.
Yes, nice big driveway. So this is the cute little lime green one in Lake Denham. I forget what the floor plan of this one is, but
What's the Denham?
Lake Denham is the area that we're in. It's got a yellow door.
From the one who has a lavender door.
Yes. So, okay, so we've got bedroom and full bath right here to the left when you walk in. So, again, all neutrals, all solid surface countertop tile. This is nice linen closet.
Yeah, this is all right.
Okay, so bedrooms are a little bit smaller, and it's not a split, but they are both back. They're kind of right off the entry, so they are kind of separated from each other. So, okay. I didn't think I was gonna like coming right off into the kitchen like that, but it's not bad. It's not a thing. Okay. So you've got the blue or gray cabinets on this side, and then you've got the more brown cabinets on this side. Decent cabinet space, but I think, yeah, you got a good sized pantry right here. So I think it's perfectly adequate. Okay, so here's your washer and dryer, no cabinets. But this is out to the garage. And this one does just have a single or double garage. Doesn't have a golf cart garage. So here's your little utility trailer. So that's okay. So hard to say because this one isn't furnished. I guess I don't have a great feel for how this would lay out, but it looks pretty decent to me. Obviously your dining area will be over there. Living area here, looks like that's a TV wall. But this has the raised, which I thought was kind of nice.
Yeah, I haven't seen that before.
Okay, so these are the good big doors again. And then, okay, step down, but this has got that raised little concrete patio in the back, which is kind of nice. I mean, yes, your neighbors are right there, but there is a little bit of a divide. And it must be, yeah, all these are on a little bit of a hill. So you can see like the neighbors here too. There's a little bit of a hill, and it seems like kind of everybody on this side of the road kind of has that, the raised concrete patio. So yeah, I mean, backyard is tough. I don't know you'd spend a ton of time back here. But that might be okay. Because the lanai is nice and it does give you a separation with that. Again, the oversized doors. Let me take you to the master. So the master is toward the back here. It's a good size master, it looks like. Yeah, it's a good size master. This would work. And then, okay, nice walk-in closet.
His and hers.
Oh yeah, his and hers closet. So nice closet space in here. Okay, don't love the shower. Prefer if it was a walk-in, but it's one glass door and that whole thing's not glass. I don't know if this is extremely cute in here. I mean, it's fine, but it might be okay. It probably needs like a towel bar or something in there, but yeah, totally fine. But yeah, I just want you to see that raised concrete off the lanai, so it's a pretty decent lanai size. But I do like the little raised patio, so I feel like no gators would get up there. But that's just me.
I'm thinking if you had some chicken out there, that gator could get up there.
I'm sure he could, but I don't plan on leaving raw chicken out there, so I think we're okay. So, and tell me again the cost on this one.
This one is $367.
Okay. So 367 on this one. So there you go. There's the little one that I affectionately call Sherbet.